Alright guys, as you can see, we finished washing the vehicle, and final step of the process is to dry it off. And perfect thing to go about doing so is one of these babies right here. I'm pretty sure you're well aware of what this is, but if not, allow me to tell you. Just when you need to know the name, it's not there. The Absorber XL dries big stuff faster, and it really does an awesome job. As you can see, I love these things. I got a little one here that's dried up. I need to start soaking some water, but you always want to keep them moist. You want to put them away wet. Got another one right there. So awesome little team things to have. So you see this white is attracting the bugs like crazy. But yeah, just dry the vehicle up. Oh God, these are some sensitive door handles. Oh my goodness. What the heck? There was a smudge still in my car, and it did that when I was drying it. I gotta get that off. That's why I'm not putting any more tire shine on my car. It's already enough dealing with road grind, and you got tire shine sling all over the place. And on this car, you don't even need tire shine because the brakes get so dirty, it just defeats the purpose. And it's a performance car, so who gives? But anyway, the absorber, let's hit this side up. Just lay it on the vehicle like so. Bring it down. It's pulling all that water up. Anything left is going to dry up real fast. Also, you can take this opportunity, hit your rims up, at least get off the heavy water on the face and the areas where it's sitting. Ta-da, there you go. See that? Be careful not to let your absorber hit the ground while you're drying your car off. But hey guys, that's all to the video. Just wanted to come to you and share a little information. As you saw, we washed the rims if you check out a separate video. And now we just finished washing the car, and I hope you got something from those tips that I just gave you, as well as the technique used to dry it with the absorber. So other than that, that's about it. I'm going to end it like this. And other than that, it's your boy Kurt A. Roll, and shit, that's it. We done. Okay? Just take a second to take all that in right there, though. Take all that beauty in. You see that? You see that? Alright, guys.